Hey there, welcome back. If you're in your 50s and still wondering if it's too late to start earning passive income, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some of the best passive income ideas that you can take advantage of right now, and yes, even in your 50s, to set yourself up for a comfortable retirement or just enjoy more freedom. Whether you're getting closer to retirement or you just want to give your finances a boost, passive income is a powerful tool to help you reach your goals. And guess what? It doesn't matter if you're working full-time, part-time, or chilling in your favorite recliner. These ideas are all about making your money work for you. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's jump into it. All right, before we dive into the good stuff, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what passive income really is. You've probably heard the term floating around, passive income. But what does it really mean? Simply put, passive income is the type of money that flows in regularly with little ongoing effort. Think of it like having a money-making machine that keeps working for you even when you're not. Now, don't get me wrong, passive income still takes some effort to set up, but once you have the right systems in place, you can literally earn money while you sleep or while you're out living your best life. Here's the best part, in your 50s, you've probably learned a lot about money by now, and you have a solid foundation to start implementing these strategies. So let's talk about the best passive income ideas for your 50s that can help you grow your wealth and prepare for the future. Okay, now it's time to get into the meat of this video. How to actually make passive income in your 50s. Whether you're gearing up for retirement, looking to supplement your income, or just building up your financial cushion, there are plenty of opportunities to explore. So let's break it down into some easy-to-understand, actionable ideas. First up, dividend stocks. If you've been around the financial block, you've probably heard of them. But if you haven't, here's the lowdown. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay you a portion of their profits just for owning them. And here's the best part. They pay you regularly, like a paycheck that you don't have to work for. Many solid companies pay out dividends quarterly or annually, and these payments can be reinvested into more shares or used as cash to support your lifestyle. Now, why are dividends so great, especially in your 50s? Because they provide consistent income, and the best part is, they're tax advantaged. In the US, qualified dividends are taxed at a lower rate than your ordinary income. So you get to keep more of that sweet, sweet money. So how do you get started? Look for well-established companies with a solid track record of paying dividends. Some classic examples include companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These are tried and true companies that tend to keep paying their dividends, even in rocky markets. Next on the list, real estate investment trusts, REITs. Ever dreamed of being a real estate mogul but don't want to deal with leaky pipes or tenants who don't pay their rent? Well, this is your ticket to real estate riches without all the hassles. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate, and as a shareholder, you get a piece of the profits. It's like owning part of an apartment building or shopping mall, but without any of the headaches. The best part? Most REITs are required by law to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends. So, you're getting passive income from properties all over the country, even without being the one fixing leaky faucets. If you want to get started with REITs, you can purchase shares through stock exchanges like you would any other stock. There are also specialized REITs for different property sectors, like office buildings, healthcare facilities, and even data centers. Let's talk about peer-to-peer lending, P2P. This is where you get to play the role of the bank. Instead of lending money to a bank, you lend it directly to borrowers, whether for personal loans, debt consolidation, or small business funding. In return, you earn interest on those loans. Here's the cool part. The interest you earn on these loans can be quite a bit higher than what you'd earn in a traditional savings account. We're talking potentially 6%, 10% or more, depending on the risk. Of course, there's a risk involved. People might not pay you back. But you can minimize that risk by diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers. P2P lending is a fantastic way to generate passive income, especially if you have a bit of extra cash sitting around. And you can even start with as little as a few $100s. It's a nice, low-effort way to grow your wealth over time. Do you have decades of experience in a particular field? Have you learned some valuable skills along the way? Then consider creating an online course. Whether you're an expert in cooking, technology, or even personal finance, You can create a course and start generating passive income by teaching others. Once your course is created and uploaded, it can generate revenue with minimal effort on your part. Every time someone buys your course, cha-ching, you're getting paid. It's a great way to leverage your experience and knowledge into an income stream that keeps paying off as long as people keep enrolling. And who knows, you might just end up with a full-time side hustle that you love. Now, for those of you who like to play it a little safer, there's always the option of a high-yield savings account. It's a simple concept. You put your money in an account that pays a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts. The good news is that you're still able to access your money if you need it, but you're earning more than if you were to just park your cash in a regular savings account. While it won't make you rich, a high-yield savings account can be a good place for your emergency fund or short-term savings. And the money you earn from interest is considered passive income. No work required, just interest rolling in. Alright, so now you know some of the best passive income options available to you. But how do you get started? Here's a simple plan. Start with what you know. You don't need to dive into something completely new. If you're already familiar with stocks or real estate, start there. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to make thousands overnight. Start small and build over time. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A mix of dividend stocks, real estate, and P2P lending is a solid approach to spreading out your risk and increasing your chances for success. And finally, take action. The sooner you start, the sooner you can reap the rewards of passive income. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to start building your passive income empire, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on how to take control of your finances and build wealth, no matter what age you're at. And hey, if you know someone in their 50s who needs some inspiration to start earning passive income, share this video with them. Sharing is caring, and who knows, you could help someone make their retirement a lot more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start creating the life and income you deserve.